This statue of Buddha traveled for 1500 kilometers, and on the way it got slightly damaged. I have sealed the cracks with the silicone and used the sealing tape with the super glue to cover the hole in its arm. I am applying the Honfleur to cover the repairs I've done. Just to let you know that in this project I am using Anne Sloan's chalk paint. I am dabbing in some French linen. I am not going to cover the whole piece, as the base of the statue has already got a quite beautiful color. If I didn't like it, I would probably paint the whole statue in Honfleur to start with. Dabbing here and there, leaving the base color exposed in some parts. Next, I am spraying with water the paint, which is still fresh, and letting it run down. This way, the paint spreads over the statue and sets into the crevices more naturally, creating more authentic look. Here, you can spray more or less water, depending on the result you want to achieve. I left the piece completely dry. In my next step, I am going to try to achieve some patina effect. For this, I will be using the country grey, Versailles and dark egg blue chalk paint. As you can see, I have on my plate two paints, country grey and Versailles, and I am taking both of them on the brush and again dabbing it in here and there, creating some shades, low and high points. Next, I've added some dark egg blue and a tiny bit of the old white. And again, creating more layers. Later, when I sand the piece, all the colors will be seen through. You can see here that I have already sanded this side. Now I am going to sand the rest of it. I like how those wounds were created on the statue, and I am exposing the base color on them. After dusting the piece off, I am covering it with the clear wax. And then a black wax. If you do a large piece, better apply the clear wax in stages, as you don't want to apply a black wax on a dry surface. The clear wax is letting me to take off the excesses of the black wax easily. And again, I am paying attention to the wounds. And the feet must be really black, as I believe Buddha walked barefoot. Mixing the gold and the silver gilding wax to take the shine of the gold and to make it look like an old gold. And applying it to some parts, here and there. here it is. I have painted the little ball in gold. I hope you enjoyed the process. I am sure any plastic statue can be also done this way. Please subscribe to help me to get my channel growing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again.